My intro is always like, yeah, yeah. It's good, but it's not enough. Shout out Jadakiss. That versus battle was a monster. Did you see the versus battle? Me and JT were having a moment. We was watching that shit like, ah! We weren't even from New York. We're niggas from Aurora and Denver. Anyways, welcome to the Indigo Lab. Welcome to the latest installment of the Indigo Lab. I'm your boy, Chef Radio. Here with me, as always, is King Karan, and we have Nikki Nugs on the soundtrack. This week, we got some drink flavor coming for you. We're making a Matcha Horchata latte. Yeah, you heard it right. I got it from Instagram from a chef named Matt. That's his Instagram name if you want to follow him. He has like 1 million subscribers, so I mean, shit. Shout him out though. Great guy, great food. I love all of his content, so kind of had to copy him since I'm not able to get that latte in person. I had to make it my way. Add a little bit of weed to the mix. Anyways, appreciate you stopping here through to the Indigo Lab. Let's get to work. All right. So we have our rice that we soaked in our milk. We have our rice that we soaked in water. We use the same measurements as we would that are on the bag. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I added a cinnamon stick, ground ginger, nutmeg, and some walnuts and some almonds just to kind of help smooth everything out once we blend it up. So we let that soak overnight. If you're in a pinch, you can do it in 6 hours, but we had some time. We had time today, Cass. So we have our beautiful blender that we're lucky enough to has a rice milk function. So yeah, I'm fucking with this blender, to say the least. Get all of it in there. There we go. Excuse me? Yeah, so we're not gonna use the rice milk function. We're just gonna blend it up. Okay, so we have a couple layers of cheesecloth here. We're gonna strain our blended rice mixture through here. And yeah, they have, you know, oat milk bags and rice milk bags and stuff. So definitely if you feel like investing in one of those, please do that. But yeah, we're just gonna let that strain out. It's looking like this might take a minute. There's a fucking bug on the table. Just to make it even clearer, like nice, like glass. It's crazy. Take yeah, like super clear broth. Whatever kind of broth you have. I can make like a deep beef broth, like a deep brown beef broth. And turn that shit into like, just like a little light skin broth. You can see through it. And it still has the same flavor. Yeah. Cause you make like a little, they call it a raft. And you fucking, it's made out of whatever the flavor of the broth is. You make like a ground meat of it, or just like ground chicken and egg yolk, and you just let it sit in there, and it like I don't know what it does, but it just like sucks up everything in the broth, and it makes the broth super clear on the bottom. Like it's fucking weird. Some of this shit, I'll be like, I don't know how, some shit in culinary school, I'm like, what? What? What do you said what? Like, you got this and got this? Okay. All right. The blending process went smoothly. Didn't. Anyways, we got that done. We're gonna get to the matcha egg part. It's like a little Vietnamese flavor. I told you where I got the recipe from, so shout out Chef Matt, a chef named Matt on Instagram. If you want to follow him, he got like 1 million subscribers, so it's like, yeah. But I want to give people their proper credit when it's due, because it looked like a great drink. And because I'm not where he lives, I had to make it where I live, and I had to make it my way. So I had to add a little thing to it. But yeah, let's get to that matcha egg part. I don't know what to call it. All right, so we're at our egg cream part. We're gonna add a little matcha to it so it'll have a little green tint. But we got 2 egg yolks here. Add that. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of condensed milk. Just add another half. And then we'll add a teaspoon of our matcha powder. If I don't get condensed milk everywhere. Right, we're gonna let that go. And we're just gonna let this go until it gets nice and foamy. And there you have it, the Matcha Horchata Latte, AKA the Mysterio. Shout out a chef named Matt. Shout out all of our supporters here that come through each and every week for our new cannabis cuisine innovations. We love you, we support you. Thank you for supporting us. I don't know. I'm smacked. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Check us out each week. We love you.